perfect time.
Yeah.
About to start a little puff give in this motherfucker. You down? Uh-oh.
We started it up. It's Friday. I got in my retainer, so, let's give a birthday shout out to Cuddy Boo, right? So when I die, bury me next to two bitches. Uh-oh. Happy birthday. They ask me how I do it, what I do it for. It's good, man.
Awesome fine to me, girl. Girl, you are so fine, girl.
Okay, dope.
Got that presentation that gets me so excited when I see your photos on IG, girl.
The Okie Doke. The Okie Doke Files, man. Happy birthday. Shout out to Cuddy Moo, man. All right, man, let's crank up this Soldier Boy. I think I should take these damn things out, but fuck it. We gotta leave it in.
Oh, and them Okie Doke Files. Oh.
Make sure you tune it in. Tap it in, right? Y'all know our Steves, right?
Wicked women putting period, blood and stew. Don't that make the stew witches brew?
Uh-oh.
Gender Wars. It's diabolical, man. We battling each other. Right? This Meg Thee Stallion bullshit. Women love this social media shit. They're like, celebrity, brother. Celebrity this, celebrity that. Man, I ain't giving a fuck about no celebrity because they ain't putting no money in my motherfucking pocket. You can unfollow. Right? They did shit for me. In actuality, we are making them rich. By watching and following, man. You don't know, this is a backflip stunt. Gender Wars, man. I don't know what to say. I don't. That threw me off of this war shit. We fed up with that Trump shit. We was like, this motherfucker straight open, straight ain't open, straight closed, niggas saying too much, straight about to be open, can't reach an agreement and shit like that. Straight was open before we went over there and fuck with that shit. I know that. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, man. Right? Because y'all know what time it is. Right? Y'all don't know?
Shit, I can roll a blunt better than them bitches in a van.
Facts.
Now, I know Willie don't let you smoke in his eye. But I'm your Uncle Elroy. I don't give a damn how high you get in mine. As long as you let me hit it. Look at that. Fire that shit up, boy. I'm about to show y'all who the real Puff Daddy is.
Real shit. Oh, we got this nigga BREEEZA and shit. Like, let's get it, nigga.
Hey, I also heard that they took that nigga manhood too. So after they whooped his ass, They got it in his ass, but he ain't say that. But I heard that from someplace else. But
yeah, we just started up this Nature Boy shit with the calamities. I was trying to cue that up. I first and shit. You found out just like I found out and shit. Like, damn, really? My response is, they ain't the first to where that nigga Nature Boy get down. Nasty. Freak. Emilio and shit, right? He's another in the story. I don't even have to talk about Nature Boy and shit. He talks about his goddamn self, nigga. That's motherfuckers. Pedophile, pervert, mixed in like Sherbert, all up in one, man. That motherfucker's so interesting. Now, it seems like the social media Western world is like, hey, we need to talk about you. Put you on front line. Put you on front street. Freak.
They sent agents like young Pharaoh to me. If you go watch my story, you'll see I was getting attacked the whole time, bro. And I'm a nigga, so they sent agents like young Pharaoh to me. If you go
now young Pharaoh to 8. Tell the story right, nigga. You needed a ride. Y'all was going to saw another TV. Saw another couch. We gonna be back with more, man. It's my day off. It's Friday, and you already know, man.
Nephew, you got perfect time.
We gonna get to Nature Boy this weekend, man. Let's get a BREEEZA a shout out, man. Let's start off like that. Wow. Disturbing. Hey, again, UK Wife's cousin, Cuddy Boo, it's his birthday.
Who you doing, everybody? It's UK Wally.
Lays. Wally likes the helicopters. Pep Greers. Make sure you tap in. Hey, we gonna be in and out like in and out your mouth and shit. Pause. Y'all ready for Wally? Well, shit, you guys subscribe and tap in. And don't if you don't coming for me right now, you saying he's slurring and shit like that. He's drunk and being funny, right? I won't say that to you niggas, but to you ladies, I still can eat a mean. Get the hell out of that cat. All right, I'll be back like Schwarzenegger, man. Show! All right, y'all.